only after a few flights. Ang dami ng
Previously,
mga propellers mga liku-liko. Natanggal yung VTX.
looking good.
Okay, let's put it back together.
Hello mga katropa! Ayos ba tayo dyan? Ito, we are here at Core Park in San Diego. And right over there, I don't know if you see it, is my drone. And this is going to be our 4th test flight. Pinili kong maluwag yung lugar para medyo mas meron akong freedom. Okay, so I'm gonna arm it. Actually, this is the second time I've been here at Roar Park. The first time, I almost lost the drone when it went over the fence and landed on the street where there were cars passing by. The wind is blowing like crazy over here. That's probably why there's a lot of drift being exhibited by the drone. Oh my God, it's in is it turning? Uh-oh. Okay, don't go too near it. Okay, here we go. Oh, I see it. Yeah. I can see you. Get out of there. Alright, here we go. Okay, you want to try it? Yeah. Okay, good. So, this is actually Farron's first official flight in a park. Kasi previously, we've only been practicing in the backyard. Launch and land lang, yun lang ang ginagawa namin. Pero this time around, we're actually going to fly the drones. So, we'll see. Okay, you're going back. center. This is the middle, right? Got it? Okay. And then you got roll, which is like that. That's good. Okay, so pitch and roll. And then you got yaw. Yeah. And then this one is throttle, right? Going up, right? So it's always zero at first, right? And then yeah, right? And but this is yaw. Yaw is it's turning one its axis like this, going like this, and it was doing that, right? Okay, good. Nakikita kaya? Kita niyo ba?
As you can see, Perrin is better able to make the drone hover. Something that I'm not very good
Bring it down some. Bring it down some. Yeah. Yeah, back it up. Yeah. Wow. Ferry is doing way better than me. Woo. Oh, watch it, watch it. Wow. Perry is doing way better. Oh, disarm, disarm, disarm. Yeah, there you go. Disarm. But you did manage to use this other switch? These are the switches?
Yeah,
You did? Okay, cool.
I was in robotics class, that's why.
You were?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. So,
I was learning how to like move things around like that.
oh yeah? What? Through a simulator or something?
Well, it's like a controller. It's gonna be built around my car.
Oh, I see. So you have experience. Alright, let's go get it.
Okay, guys. Now, Perrin is gonna try to control the drone with his goggles on. Huh? Did you turn it on? What's that?
Just big flag. You're with like static.
Yeah, it's on. I think it's the antenna.
How do I?
Turn off the transmitter.
Okay. Like turn this off?
Yeah, you know how to turn it off, right?
Yeah, I just hold it. Okay, it's off now.
Yeah?
The right antenna.
Okay, okay, let me, I'm gonna power it on now.
Okay.
Okay, we have to cut this off. I have a loose connection.
Well, it looks like I did a poor job at soldering the battery connectors. It's loose and it's producing sparks.
The battery is loose.
Oh.
Yeah, the battery connector is loose. Oh well, folks. Back to the drawing boards. Wanna run around first or something? No. Ah, it was so good.
I know, I was doing well.
Hello mga katropa. So, nandito na naman tayo sa Roll Park. And we are on our, what is it? Our fifth test flight. Our fifth test flight. At this point, ano na, I'm pretty sure lumilipad yung drone. Pero kailangan i-tune up siya, no? Para so I'm gonna turn on. arm. I adjusted the throttle a little bit. Uh, okay. Do you see me in the camera? Check.
Yeah, I see you in the camera.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa! Oh, no, no, no. That was a close one.
I tried to bring it back. I'm still unable to make it hover.
Going hard.
Ay, ay, ay. Whoa!
No, 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 no. Going way too high.
Ouch!
Oops, I made a boo-boo. I went over the fence, hit a tree, and the drone fell 50 feet from the air. Good job.
Here you go.
You had too much fun with it.
Oh my god. Uh-oh.
I think it went over the fence. Yeah.
One last try for the day. Farron is flying and wow, he surely beats me.
I can't see anything. I hope I'm taking all this. Okay, updates mga katropa. Nandito na uli ako sa bahay, nasa front yard. And gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo itong aking drone pagkatapos ng 5 test flights. Nakikita nyo yung mga propellers niya, ano na, ang dami ng gasgas. So, ito after bumunggo ako sa dalawang puno at pagulong-gulong sa lupa, ito po nangyari sa aking drone at kita nyo nasira yung aking battery. Siguro siya yung hindi siya secured, gumanyan-ganyan siya, tinamaan siya nitong propeller kaya nasira. So hindi ko ma-charge to ng tama pagkasira to, baka bumili ako ng bagong baterya. Titingnan ko kung paano ko marirepair. Palagay ko yung frame, hindi magandang klaseng frame kasi nakalabas itong mga wires dito sa tabi. And pagka lumilipad siya, siguro gumaganon-ganon siya tulad nito. Baka tamaan ng propeller. So, hindi rin masyadong maganda yung pagkakadesign ng frame. Pero ayos na. Pwede na. So far, so good. So I'm gonna have to also check the antenna because the antenna may be bad. And ito nga pala yung kanyang antenna na sa receiver antenna naputol na, pero nakaka-receive pa naman siya ng commands galing sa transmitter. So nakokontrol pa rin yung lipad niya. Nga lang hindi ko na alam kung ang range, kung naepektuhan yung range ng drone kasi mukhang baka kaya siguro ako sumabit doon sa malaking puno kasi nag-run away siya kasi nawalan ng signal. So, checkin ko ulit kung ano yung mga parameters nitong drone na to at i-adjust ko pa siya. So, that's it, folks. My drone is flying. Looks like I'm gonna have to do a lot of tuning and all that, and I also have to learn how to fly the drone because today I hit a tree. No, I hit 2 trees today. One like way up, and then it fell like 50 feet. The drone fell 50 feet from the tree, and then the second tree I hit the trunk, and I think that's when the other wires were damaged. So, see you later, folks.
Still to be continued, folks. Like, share, and subscribe.